Okay, let's look at some of the formatting options we have with Google Sheets. So to format stuff, we want to make sure that we select it and then we apply the formatting to it. So under the formatting tab, we can just look under here. You can see how we can format numbers so that they're displayed in different formats. We've got number, percent, scientific, accounting, financial. We also just have your basic formatting, like being able to bold text and italicize and underline and strike through. We've got our font sizes here, so we can change the sizes of our fonts. We also have our alignment, where we can change if we want left or center or right, top, middle, or bottom. We also have text wrapping, so that if text is flowing, and sometimes it will get cut off in a column if it's not wrapping. So this way you can wrap the text around, so you're not having to spread your columns out so wide. We also have text rotation, so there may be some cases where you want to have the text tilt up or tilt down, or you can stack it vertically or rotate up, rotate down. So you can do that there. We also have the conditional formatting, where you can format the cells based on different conditions. And then we also have alternating colors, and we have clear formatting. We also have some of those up in the menu bar right here. One of them that you don't see in that drop down is like the fill color and the borders. So if we wanted to put a border, we select, and we have these different borders that we can choose. If we wanted to put a fill color in, we could select where we want to add that fill color, and come up here, and then we have a bunch of different colors that we can choose from. And if we wanted to change the font, we could go over here to font and drop that down. We have a number of different fonts that we can choose. So let's say if we wanted to change the decimal places in the assignments, we would select them. And then right here, we could decrease the decimal place, or we could increase the decimal place. So here we'll decrease it by clicking this twice. There you go. Those are some of the basic formatting options that you have in Google Sheets. Okay, so in this video, we looked at some of the basic formatting options available in Google Sheets, and we also looked at how to apply that formatting to a cell's content. Make sure to check out our other videos in the series on using Google Sheets. Thank you.